Is it still available? So after we set this bumper on, we're done. That's the end of this episode. Thanks for watching, kid. Oh, I have a lot of things I want to... Yeah. The pills my wife's giving me, I'm having a nice and flush right now, so I'm bright red like a lobster. Look at this. It won't go away. Ooh. Hey, it's also causing me gas. Anyways, I still got to service this thing. I still got to button up the interior. Still didn't finish this fender. I mean, the fender's bolted on, but I got to do the side, put the side skirt back on. Bunch of clips there, a mud flap. The bumper needs to go on, which is looking fantastic, by the way. Look at that. Anyways, my brother just showed up, and we're gonna I'm gonna have him help me put this bumper on. I taped it up because I didn't want to mark anything up, but I think I'm just gonna have him help me set it on. And I'm hoping that it was really tight to fit last time, but I'm thinking since I pulled this some more and the headlight fit better, I'm thinking it might fit a little bit better now. I don't know yet. We'll see. So he gets in here, we'll start putting this thing on here. Out. I didn't plug it in. Oh. I'm figuring out how to plug it in. There, it's lit.
Synthetics or synthetics?
Alright, so the fluids are changed. The bumper, all the clips are in. I was going to change the fog lights out, but the ones I had were wrong. Now I'm going to fix these doors. Listen to these things. Oh, I rubbed against your tires back there too. Horrible. Horrible. So it's exactly what I was talking about. You see that brace bar right there? You see how there's glue on it. Look. I can push out on it, push in on it. Anyways, it's separated, and it's like a soft foam glue or something. But what I'm going to do is get in between it here, and I'm going to try to put some foam tape in between that. And then we'll see what this door sounds like. I'm going to have to put it in a couple places. But another thing you could do is you could put some glue down in there, but then you'd have to wait for it to set. I do have some like foam expanding glue. That might actually be better. Let me see if I can find that expanding foam, and I'll try to put that in there. test. Man, big feet, big, huh?
What? It don't apply. It don't apply for me.
It's pill time.
And this is healthy water, just so you guys know.
I don't think they care.
I'm gonna help them be healthy.
Yeah, if you need any health tips, you can just go to Ashley Shields Fitness, whatever it is.
Total Body by Ashley. You should know this.
Same thing.
TotalBodyByAshley.com.
Oh my God, stop. Get. Well, I like that. It's a good one.
Huh?
Tastes just like the last one.
Oh, this is a garlic one. That's food for your bacteria for your gut.
Food for the bacteria in my gut?
So
You're trying to feed them?
Yeah, then they'll eat it. That way they get killed. That's it. You only have 4. A little less.
Here.
All right.
Take the healthy water.
Okay.
No. I wonder if they're getting hit on that side, just not. The expanding foam glue is the way to go. That's something like you put in between panels to stick them together, but it's also for sound deadening. They all sound good now. I even did the driver's rear door. It was doing it, but it wasn't as loud. So thing we have to do now is clean. I gotta wipe down the interior because I got it pretty dirty. Being tan interior, it's hard to keep clean, but I gotta wipe everything down in there. I might wipe the engine bay down a little bit and then get it out and see how it drives. Alright, I might get some driving footage tomorrow, or maybe tonight, but it's dark out. So you might get like in-car tonight, and then I'll get some video of it tomorrow. Won't be me driving, but... Ready? Yeah. You don't have to gun it. You just... Put them high beams on. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Windows down. Let's hear the exhaust.
Alright. You want to try to pull out here and stop? Yeah.
Just go. Just go. Alright, so you get a good view here. I'm on my way to go get him, so we can go get this thing inspected. I did recommend him getting an alignment, but I mean, it does drive straight. So I mean, I don't know if it's always a smart thing, especially when you get hit in a corner, or you know, you could tell the wheel got hit, which the hubcap was off that wheel. It's always smart to do that, get an alignment, just to make sure, because you might not see it or feel it, but once you get going down the road and drive for a couple thousand miles, your tire might wear really badly because the alignment's off. So it's going to make your tires wear out prematurely, and it's not a good time. Buying tires is not fun. I don't like buying tires. So a little look into the future here, guys. We're into that really deep. I forgot to record anything after that. We got the car inspected. No issues. Got it inspected. Well, we did have, it's not an issue, but he recommended replacing the rear brake pads. So I did get him a set of rear brake pads. We haven't put them on yet, but this is like a month since I recorded that. He's been happily driving it. He is taking long road trips in it. Thing runs great, and he has no issues. And he actually gets really good gas. He said he got 36, I think, the other day. Typically, he's getting like 33, 32, 33. But he did get 36 out of it on a trip there the other day. But he's putting the miles on, and it's a good car. He did get it aligned. It's inspected. Everything's legal. And he's had no issues with it, which is awesome. I told him to keep an eye on the oil because I did notice on one of my videos when I started it, it blew smoke out the exhaust. Could be just from sitting. I mean, it could be for a reason of anything, but all the miles he's put on it, it hasn't used a drop of oil. So I do believe that's a really low mileage engine in that car, and that thing just drives good. We're going to end this episode here since I don't have any more footage. Just know that since that, we've done a lot to this. So there's a lot of work done to this. You might not see it right now, but there's a lot done. And this thing is on its way to getting finished. So if you like this video, smash that like button. Consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom wants to say ooh woo in the back of a Subaru. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed to the channel, hear me out real quick. Just unsubscribe and resubscribe. If you all do it all at once, I heard that it can help the channel. Actually, somebody recommended it to me. I don't know if it helps or not. But just, I mean, how much work is that for you? Just unsubscribe and then resubscribe. Please resubscribe. Don't just unsubscribe. Make sure you resubscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode on Wrath.
Solely, you don't have to be in there. It's open. What are you doing in there? Just chilling? Okay. Stella? Hi. Oh, hi, Stu Man. Hi. Yes. Yeah, you know where the action's at, right? Huh? Look at this baby boy up here. It doesn't even fit on the shelf. You flipped it. It's supposed to be up like that. He's like, don't touch it.
He's disturbed now.
I know. Why are you giving me that pissy face?
So don't ever touch me.
You want to say bye-bye? Look at the cheeks on that boy. Look at the blue cheeks.
I think I'll bite them off. Like
So mean looking. Why you mean mugging me?